How to fix Shape of Dreams crashing on Steam. First, right-click on the game in your library, open up the Properties window, and then under Launch Options you want to type a -DX11. You can also try -D3D11 if the first command does not work for you. Then go to the Installed Files tab and click on Verify Integrity of Game Files button, and wait for this process to finish checking the files. Once this is done, you can close this window and then open up your GPU application. So if you have an NVIDIA GPU, you will need to download and install NVIDIA app and go to the drivers section, and then make sure to download and install the latest game ready driver. You can also try to reinstall it if you have the latest one already. Next, you want to open up your browser and search for Redist. Click on the first Microsoft link and then go to this table, download the 86 and the 64 version and install both of them. And once you finish installing these, you can simply just restart your system, and then before opening the game, launch Steam as admin by right-clicking on Steam and click on Run as admin, and then hit the play button, and that should fix the crashing problem. Thank you guys for watching and subscribe.